The single best way to never be broke again. You need 5 bank accounts. The first bank account should be your main bank account. This is where you deposit 100% of your revenue and then distribute them to your other 4 bank accounts. The second bank account should be for investments only. You need to deposit 50% of the 100% into this account. This is the bank account that you will use to grow and scale your business. The next bank account is where you will deposit 30% of your annual revenue. This would be for living expenses. If you're unable to pay for your necessities with this bank account, you should reduce your living expenses or make more. The next bank account should be your tax account. This account you will use for future upcoming payments to reduce stress. 15% should be deposited into this account. And next, this is the best account, the baller account. You will use 5% of your annual revenue to do whatever you want. Go to nice restaurants, go on fun adventures, travel the world. Do whatever you want with this account. Implement this method and you will never be broke again. Save this video, like and follow.